anything.
All right, Teddy, what are we going to do here?
Smaller than anything.
What are we going to do? What's that package from?
Unspeakable.
Okay, and we're doing an unboxing video, so let's see what's in there.
Okay, so the open.
This is an unspeakable prize we won from his store.
Got a squishy toy.
What? A squishy toy?
Signed on.
What? It's signed by Unspeakable? Let's see that. Oh my God. That is so cool. What else is in there? Oh yeah, also signed by Unspeakable.
Signed by Unspeakable.
Wow, squishy toy signed by Unspeakable. How cool is that?
Take this paper
Some
out.
paper. What else could be in there? Let's see. What is that?
Okay.
A case? What's in there?
Something special.
Let's see what's in there.
There's something to it. It's a Nintendo Switch!
Oh my God, that is so cool.
Look
Whoa,
at it.
it's a Nintendo Switch?
We got a red one.
Wow. And a cool case for it?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Look at cool case.
That's pretty cool. Do you want to say thanks to Unspeakable?
Thanks, Unspeakable.
Wow, that's so cool. Look at Baby Cat. Baby Cat's excited. Wow, pretty cool. And here's the Nintendo Switch. Wow. It's a Nintendo Switch. It's like a Switch Lite.
Got like a squishy toy.
There's like a case for it and a signed squishy toy. Let's take a look at that.
Case up?
Teddy, look, he signed, Unspeakable signed the top of that. How cool is that? We're going to have to put that in your room. And Baby Cat loves the box.
Hey,